guys, it's your boy Bro Screens and you're watching Trillionaire Thrift. Let's begin. So in this video we're gonna look into how you'll fill in your Tipalti Portal details. Or whenever we join the Clickfunnels affiliate program, we need to enter our tax info in the Tipalti portal so that when we receive our payments into our bank account or PayPal, which in turn gets deposited into our bank account, of course. Firstly, you receive a special link from the CF team when you mail the support team. The link carries a token with a 7 days of expiry period, which means that you need to fill in your tax details within 7 days of receiving it. Now, if you're wondering how do you receive the portal invite, then I just mentioned it a few seconds ago that you need to mail to their support team at support@clickfunnels.com. As soon as you do so, you're gonna receive your link within 24 hours or much earlier. Also guys, I've prepared a nice little template for you which you can use to mail the CF team in case you haven't mailed them yet. So it's just in the subject, request for Tipalti Portal invite, and the body, greetings Clickfunnels team, I've recently joined your affiliate program and here's my affiliate ID. Just enter your affiliate ID here. Then I want to set up my tax info, so please provide me with the Tipalti Portal invite so that I may proceed with the same. Look how simple and direct that was. So you may use this template, or if you're yet to join the Clickfunnels affiliate program, then you may watch this video that's popping on your screen, or even you may find the link in the iCard. Now let's get back to business. On my screen now you see that this is the same mail that you'll receive once you've mailed them with the request. Okay, the body could be different, but definitely there will be this link. Now all you have to do is just click the link that's provided and wait until the next page loads. Next, you'll find the same interface as mine where you'll just have to set your password. Fill in the first box and then repeat the same password in the second input box. After you've done that, now pick any of the security questions you're comfortable with. So I'll just do that real quick and done. Notice how quick I am. Okay, now click on submit. And yay, now our registration is complete, so we'll log in now. While logging in, we'll use the same credentials that we just set up. Fill in your details and then just click on login. On the next screen, you'll now have the option to verify your phone number. So I'll just enter my phone number. Now I've entered my phone number, and if I click on send code, on the next screen I'll be asked to enter the verification code. So now we'll just wait until our code arrives, and yes guys, normally you'll receive a text message from their app, but in case you don't receive, wait for like 10 to 15 minutes because you're most likely to receive a verification code over call. They do take some time in this regard, so you need to hold your patience for quite a long time, and also don't keep resending a code because you ain't receiving any. Just hold your patience for some time. I'll fill the code and verify. Till then, I'll see you on the next screen. Okay guys, so I've verified my number now and this dashboard is reflected on my screen, and same shall be for you. So we've got to complete 4 steps of the form and we'll go one by one. The first step is quite simple, where we just need to enter our basic details. Like here we have to enter our mail, but thankfully it enters our login mail by default, so we'll continue with all the other details. Here we have first name, middle name if any, and last name, then your address, city, zip code, and finally country. So I'll fill this real quick. Okay, so as soon as you fill all your details, you need to click on next, and then you need to scroll to the top where you'll notice a pop-up saying you to confirm your provided address. Just click on confirm and continue. Next we'll have the option to enter a preferred payment method. Let me scroll to the top. Okay, so the first option is payment currency, and by default it'll select your local currency like INR in my case. Then your name will also be entered by default. So next what we have to enter is our bank name, bank city or province, the SWIFT code, IFSC code, bank account number, and then select your account type, whether it's a single savings account, a checking account, or any other account type. Just select the type, that doesn't really matter. Again, I'll fill this real quick. Whoa, that was quicker than a lightning, lol. So you've got your details entered now. All you got to do at this point is check the checkbox below, and also in the bank state you need to enter the full address of the bank. For example, Pune, Maharashtra, 11045. You get this right. You need to use this format. Just make a check if everything is entered correctly and then simply click on next. On the next screen, you'll have the option to select text form to continue. So I, being a non-citizen plus non-resident of the US, will choose W8BEN. Also, if you're living outside the US, then you need to go for W8BEN as well if you're an individual, and W8BENE if you want yourself to be registered as an entity. Rest, if you're a US citizen, then you of course know that you'll have to proceed with the W9 text form. Next, click on complete form. Upon clicking next, you'll see this small agreement on your screen with your name. Carefully read it once if you'd like to, and then check the checkbox here. Basically, let me just tell you in very short what's written here. So it just states that you as a promoter will be doing all your activities outside the US. Okay, so you got it. Next, here in this box, fill your full name as the signature and then today's date, which will be pre-filled with the current date you're filling this form. At last, just click on submit and continue text form. So next you'll have the option to fill your basic details, so just do it. I'll again do it really very quick and I'm done. So I'll click on continue. Then on the next window you have to enter your tax ID that's issued by your respective country's government. Like for me here in India, I have PAN. Similarly, you have a TIN too. Just fill in that and continue next. Next, choose your country and continue. Then once review all your details and continue again. Now you need to check all the boxes here. Don't ask why, just do what I'm saying. Again, in the signature, you know that you have to enter your full name, so do the same. The date, just as before, is pre-filled, so move on to the next, which is to enter our email. Okay, so we'll enter our email too, and then at the very end just click on submit form. Voila, we're done. We've successfully set up our payment details and are ready to be called a full-fledged Avenger. Start promoting Clickfunnels products to make at least $100 cause that's the minimum threshold for payout. And in case you want to dive deeper into this field of affiliate marketing and want to learn how you can effectively create and scale your business, especially with the use of marketing funnels, then OFA is the best answer to it, and I'm sure that you won't like to miss out $10K plus bonuses. Link in the description. Also, there are bonuses and a 14 days free trial of Clickfunnels, which you should definitely check out if you want to start scaling a business with the art of funnels. Again, link in the description. At the end, I hope you found the video helpful, and if you did, then please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos on the online space. Till then, I'll catch you in the next one. Stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep learning to keep growing.